being able to add your emails to a task can be very beneficial in that you can make kind of a to-do list and then have your email linked right there instead of having to search for it. Because often what happens is when I'm trying to do something, I'm going over here and I'm having to type in to search for something, or I'm putting a star here and I'm having to click for all of my starred items, but I still have to search through all of my starred items to find what I need right then. So, a great way to do this instead of doing all the searching is just to select an email you're wanting to add to your task. Up here, there's an add to a task icon. Then over here, it pops up automatically with my email linked in there already. I can change the title of it if I want something else to be there for the reminder for myself. I can add any details. So, like if I am following up on this email at a certain date, I could add that in there. If I'm continuing to work on something, maybe I can kind of add where am I at on it, just as a reminder. As we're busy, sometimes we forget, okay, wait, what did I do on that last? And I can go back to it. You can organize your tasks by making multiple task lists and naming those. You can add a date and time for it to show up on your Google Calendar. Have it repeat if you need to. Add subtasks if there's other tasks that relate back to this one. And once again, there's that email. From here, you can delete it or you can just go back if you're needing to keep this one. But that's how you would go in to delete it if you decide, oh no, maybe I don't need that. Or put a check mark here that it's complete. It's your other option. So let's see what these look like in Google Calendar. So if I go over here, I have one set for next week. And when I click on this task, I can see the title of it, what date that is. I can click here to review or the view the related email that goes with it. I can edit the task from here. I can go ahead and delete it from here, or I can mark it as complete. If I mark it as complete, you can go back and say, oh, never mind. I wasn't done with that. I just thought I was. And I can mark it as incomplete and it'll just still be there. If I mark it as complete, you'll notice it just kind of puts a line through it there. It doesn't actually delete it like if I chose to delete it here. So I'm going to click mark incomplete because I'm not done with that yet. To get this to show up here is not automatic. I do have to go over here to calendars. I have a lot for technology checkout and such at my school. But right here is a task that is on all your Google calendars. You just have to put a check mark here. I have all my calendars color coded for just being able to see them a little bit easier. If you click the three dots, you can make it whatever color you want it to be.